How to turn on emails from Google Play. Hey everybody, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily enable your emails from Google Play. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open up Google Play Store and make sure that you are logged into your account here. Once logged in, tap on the profile icon at the top right, and then from there you want to tap on Settings. On your settings, tap on General and click on the drop down. And from this menu, you want to select Account and Device Preference. Doing this will give you the option for email preference, and to get emails from Google Play, you basically have to toggle this first option on. Then you can easily get your email. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.